speed activated.
Slow it down.
Speeding up.
Stop.
Self-destruct mode activated.
Oh, no. Ah! Ah!
Oh god.
Nice slide. Whoa!
Thought you might like to know that I got your fan installed.
Oh yeah, I know that shit was up.
This is the exact fucking thing, man. You showing your ass. Look at this.
Overturn the body, which gets the hands too far in, the hands too far in. Then you do all the turn, now you've got this up and over motion.
This is ceiling fan.
Someone wired this fan wrong. Looked closely at the light.
Ceiling fan. Loose blades. Doesn't look like it's on all the way.
Average.
Oh.
I can't stop. I'm not doing it. I gotta go, let it go.
Shit.
I don't know what it was.
Oh fuck.
Are you carrying him over the threshold?
I was gonna keep him in the face.
Wait, let's do that again. James's turn.
No, it's not. That's gonna turn out bad.
Sorry, just need it back.
Go! Only go one way! Just use the back. Just do it! There's nothing up there. disconnect, and then you just go ahead and push it out.
Oh!
Are you okay, Nate?
Ceiling fan.
What the fuck was that?
I wanna turn the whole thing up. Oh shit.
Hell, put my bed in here. Hey, how you turn this fan off?
The switches, dummy.
Ah, shit.
Oh, weird. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I can't. Oh.
Me and Josh have been to the new sport. Extreme wheelbarrow. Shit!
Watch with this.
Oh, shit! You fixed it really good.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
He couldn't get the thread fast and finish the job, but then the problems only got worse.
God damn this hellhole. I hate this house. I hate everything about this place. I despise this house, man.
Get it down! Turn it down!
Going around. Reverse! Oh, James.
When marimba rhythms start to play.
He did it. I'm disgraced in a D in my face.
Scared, I got scared. Like that shit.
Wrong one.
From the bottom up, and that wasn't a good idea.
Mr. Bombastic, Bomba Fun.
Turn it on. Oh, yo. Oh, nah. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Guys, I just got this like dragon pillow and it's so amazing, but we're gonna toss it cause
Oh shit! Alright, that's enough, that's enough.
Yes, I can.
The way I sleep, but it changed the way I live. This is one of the best decisions of my life.
Misery,
on today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up.